Guangdong MesPal Technology, Africa Energy Expo 2025.
Rwanda is ready to contribute both by implementing ambitious national programs.
What can we do when the electricity broken down? When the electricity broken down, we can use solar system and energy storage system to supply sustainable power for family and for commercial use. Our main product, as you see, is solar inverters and solar batteries. And we have the big one. The big one is solar cabinets.
Together, and I mean truly together, we can power Africa's next chapter.
For the cabinet, it's mainly used for commercial use, and it is suitable for the customer who has the need for very big quantity of electricity, right? Like hospital and this kind of places, they need more electricity. So they can use this to save the high cost of the electricity price. And for the smaller one, another two types, and one is for inverter. For inverter, we have 3.5, 5, 8, 10, 12, 20, 30. And the function of inverter, they can change the DC power to AC power. That's the power what our family use, right? And the third product of us is for the battery. We have 5 kilowatts, 10 kilowatt, and 16 kilowatt battery. And people can choose according to their consumption of the electricity. We can satisfy their need at every kind of level. Africa market is a very good market. Now, actually, this is the first time we came to Rwanda. Electricity cost is high, and for diesel generator, the fuel cost is also high. So I think solar system and energy storage system can solve the problem for them.